Imagine owning a commercial lot in one of the most prestigious international communities only here in Laguna, with direct access in Philinvest City, Alabang, SLEX going to Manila, Ninoy Aquino International Airport, and of course with a high foot traffic because we are just located in front of Unilab Pharma Campus, going to New Valley Greenfield City, and you have here the Brent International School. So whether you are an investor or a developer, or you want to park your money where the market is waiting for you, welcome to the Village Front at Brentville. Hi Geekers! We are here in Binyan, Laguna, a 54-hectare international community, a world-class community. We are in Brentville. I'm very excited to feature not just a residential lot, but also a commercial lot, because this is your golden opportunity, because Brentville will be having their very first outdoor mall. And this is not your usual outdoor mall, because this is located at the 4-hectare commercial development in front or in the entrance of this community. So I'm very excited. Let us talk about first the foot traffic of the area. Well, if mapapansin nyo, unang-una pa lang, if you can read this signage, we can read Pharma Campus. So in front of Brentville, which is nandito tayo ngayon, ang unang locator na makikita natin is the Unilab Pharmaceuticals. And ang maganda dito, nasa loob din po ang Brent International School, and at the same time, you have this rotunda, this big rotunda na sinasabi ko na gateway to, because ito yung location papunta sa Calax, going to Tagaytay, going to Cavite, also going to New Valley area. And of course, we are also just beside Laguna Techno Park. Not to mention the other big developers na katabi natin with their biggest malls na i-develop din on the future. So if you want to have a front row seat para makapamili ng commercial lot, this is really the golden opportunity. And the Village Front, their 4-hectare commercial area, will have its groundbreaking on September this year. This is not your usual commercial lot or commercial project, kasi we are on the Southern Californian Mediterranean community, where we have the affluent market, we have a very high foot traffic, and I'm very proud kasi very accessible siya to South Luzon Expressway going to Manila, Alabang, and the airport. So location-wise, hindi na yun problema. So sa likod ko, nakikita nyo yung blue barricades. So that is where the Lifestyle Mall will be built. So we are here. Again, this is a 4.4-hectare commercial area of Brentville. Actually, para mas ma-imagine nyo if gaano siya kalapit at tabing-tabi lang siya ng entrance, nandun lang tayo kanina. So yung daanan talaga to, this is a major thoroughfare papunta sa 7 residential clusters of Brentville International Community, and of course, the Brent International School. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi sa unahan, no, yung foot traffic, the market, walang problema. Actually, the market nga dito is affluent market, knowing na nandito yung Brent International School, and of course, yung location niya. So, ito yung lagi kong sinasabi na kapag nakakakita pa lang tayo ng ganito na blue barricade, groundbreaking pa lang, kaka-launch pa lang, kaya ako sinasabi na this is the golden opportunity. Well, marami kayong nakikita or marami kayong napapanood sa video natin. We are featuring residential properties, house and lot, and condominium, and I can't wait na mag-feature ng isa sa pinakamagandang investment when it comes to commercial if you want to diversify your real estate portfolio, because hindi talaga tayo mapapahiya sa commercial lot here because of the location, and at the same time, really, the market is just waiting for you. Yung mga nakaunang nakabili before, nung nilaunch nila yung commercial lot, they are enjoying the market value appreciation, and they are also enjoying yung mga nagiging developments here. So, punta tayo dun sa mga available commercial lot para mas makita nyo ano ba yung location niya at gaano ba siya kalapit dito lang no sa Lifestyle Mall. Let us take a look at one of the commercial lots available here in the village front. So, ito sa likod ko, yung mismong lote, the lot size is 844 square meters. So, para ma-imagine nyo kung gaano ka-wide yung frontage niya, this green post, itong light post na to, up until to the end, itong next green light post, that is the frontage. And as you can see sa drone shot natin, the shape is very regular. So hindi siya mahirap tayuan, and the cost of this lot is only at around 126 million. Considering na this lot is just in front of the Lifestyle Mall. So imagine having the location na in front of the Lifestyle Mall, and gusto kong i-feature, ayaw na namin i-cut at hindi ko to i-cut kasi gusto ko talagang makita na wala pang Lifestyle Mall, but as you can see, puno yung parking natin on the side. So, lagi ko sinasabi, no, market, foot traffic, wala po talaga tayong problema, lalo na pag tinayo itong Lifestyle Mall na ito, kasi ito yung isa sa magiging, I think, landmark in the future. Nakita ko po yung render at pinapakita namin ngayon kung gaano kaganda yung render ng Lifestyle Mall na ito. It's more of like an outdoor mall with a bridge sa middle. So, makikita nyo na very like southern living, very suburban community, but at the same time, you are also enjoying yung mga market na nasa paligid nyo. And at the same time, pwedeng-pwede yung tayuan ito, may it be a fast food restaurant, if gusto nyo mag-acquire ng fast food restaurant, no, or franchise. And at the same time, mga family-friendly like salon, coffee shops, ang dami pong pwede. You can build your own commercial building, basta hanggang 3 floors. Bawal lang po ang hotel, casino, and any other businesses that are not family-friendly. Let us discuss the major key points why investing a commercial lot in Brentville's The Village Front is your next best strategy. Number 1, the master commercial development. Because this is located at a 4-hectare commercial zone master planned by Philinvest, and it is designed as an extension of Brentville's luxury lifestyle. So it is not just a strip mall. This is perfectly aligned with the high-end aesthetic and character of Brentville. So it is not just for leasing or retail. This is long-term land appreciation potential in a secured and upscale environment. So I'm always saying this, maybe you are hearing a lot of what's happening in the real estate industry in the Philippines, most especially at the first quarter of this year, that there is a condo oversupply. But honestly, it just like affects the low to mid market segment of the real estate here in the Philippines. But the luxury, the upscale market, may it be residential and commercial, it is very stable and thriving. Number 2, the future lifestyle mall concept of the Village Front. Because this is not just your typical big box development, this is a modern boutique style lifestyle mall. So it is envisioned to house curated retail, artisan cafes, boutique offices, wellness centers, and fine dining, and of course, a walkable open-air layout that blends with Brentville's green and serene environment. So this is highly attractive to businesses that want to cater to an upscale and loyal customer base. So this is not just your usual stopover commercial area na daanan lang siya, mag-stop by lang yung mga travelers. You can create a loyal customer base because of the Brentville community and the Brent International School. Number 3, we are talking about the market, we are talking about the community, of course, the affluent built-in market. Again, there are 7 residential clusters within Brentville, home to executives, expats, and upper middle class families. So, Brent International School is within the estate, attracting high-income families and faculty. And of course, there is existing demand for food, wellness, clinics, tutoring centers, cafes, co-working spaces, and high-end service shops. So no need to wait for the market to come. The market is already here. Number 4, let us go back to strategic location. right at the Mamplasan exit of SLEX, extremely accessible from Manila and nearby central business districts. It's just 15 minutes to Philinvest City Alabang and 30 to 45 minutes to Makati or BGC, and of course, also accessible to Laguna Technopark, New Valley, and Santa Rosa's booming commercial hubs. And your business or investment will serve both local and transient markets, weekenders, residents, and daily commuters, because also as the one living and experiencing the suburban community with direct access to city and Manila, I can see the potential of this area. Maraming nag-i-invest sa akin, most especially residential community coming from the western part of the world, Filipinos abroad in US, Canada, and also in Australia. Hindi nagkakalayo na magiging retirement home nila dito. It's as if they are also living pa rin. Like for example, sa Glendale, California, kasi nagiging ganito na yung community niya. Number 5, of course, limited supply equates to higher value. Villagefront has limited commercial lot offerings, likely to appreciate fast due to scarcity. Brentville is a gated, exclusive estate, so commercial lots inside the community are rare and high in value. So investing early could mean capital gains plus rental income as demand grows. Number 6, there is an integration of premium lifestyle because Brentville is known for its low density, green and relaxed environment. The village front is being built with that same exclusivity and aesthetic, making it unique from chaotic city malls. So expect modern architecture, landscape surroundings, and premium tenant curation. So this is really ideal for niche businesses looking for a premium brand presence or for investors seeking stable long-term clients. And lastly, the future growth potential. As Laguna continues to grow, Brentville's location becomes even more valuable. Villagefront will benefit from spillover traffic and economic activity from surrounding developments such as Philinvest City, New Valley, and South Forbes. It may also serve as a regional dining or retail destination for nearby areas. So you're not just buying a lot, you're buying into a vision for growth. So there you have it. It is very unique because the security and exclusivity is not usually found in open commercial spaces. And I really believe that there is a big potential to attract expat businesses and international brands because of the Brent International presence only here in Brentville. And of course, the Philinvest credibility and long-term commitment to maintain and to make this a highly desirable community within the area. So I studied here in the area. I'm living here for 15 years. Even up to now, Brentville is Brentville.
And because Brentville is known to have a good community development, we will visit one of their newest communities at the Arborage, which only has 10 prime residential lots left. Pupuntahan din natin ang Terrace Homes at Prominence 2, which offers a condominium certificate of title, which means foreigners can buy a house and lot here in Brentville.
So we are here at the clubhouse of the newest community development of Brentville, which is the Arborage. So we still have 10 units left here, and just like our other premium residential development, what I like about Brentville International Community is they are really creating a community to thrive. So technically, marami silang clusters na residential development, but their major aim is talagang parang magkakakilala yung nasa loob, and at the same time, ang feels talaga dito, it's very Southern Californian Mediterranean feel, suburban community, underground utilities, and let's take a look at this open space. So, bukod dito sa clubhouses na pinakita natin, the gym, other open spaces like playground like this, magkakaroon din ng Arborage Lagoon. So, it's also an open space na nai-integrate siya into technically like a mini water park, parang ganun. So, just in front of the clubhouse, and hindi na natin puputulin yung video kasi nandito yung mga residential lots na available right now. It's just in front of this clubhouse, and at the same time, very manageable yung cots. So nasa 250 to 350 square meters. So the cheapest we have right now is less than 15 million. So this is perimeter lot, but yung likod nito is just an open spaces, a lot of trees, so nothing to worry about. And what I want to highlight or showcase is that pati sa residential lot, not just the commercial lot of the village front, habang hindi pa po nabibuild yung lifestyle mall, perfect time to invest. Kasi kapag na-build again yung lifestyle mall, just like kung ano yung sinasabi ko kanina sa commercial lot, kapag nandyan na yan, kapag working na, no, at talagang nakita na nila yung presence ng lifestyle mall, mag-up na naman yung market value. And actually, for the location in Biñan, Laguna, in Brentville International Community, comparing it, no, sa mga residential community natin in Nuvali and other neighboring development in Metro Santa Rosa, the price is very manageable considering, no, having this kind of an upscale residential development. Again, this is the Arborage, only 10 lots left. And I am very excited to share at the back is the house and lot with a condominium title. Yes, you heard it right. You can own a house and lot with a CCT here in Brentville. So as you can see, the lot is very big. It's 408 square meters. Actually, it's until here, mula dun sa pinakabahay niya. So this is a 3-bedroom home. So this is not your usual na horizontal condo. Baka na-imagine nyo kasi kanina, yes, it's a CCT, but para siyang horizontal condo lang, na parang premium townhouse. But this is a single detached. Pasukin natin ng mabilis para makita nyo kung ano ba yung nasa loob and ano yung mabibili nyo for a 50 million peso house and lot holding a condominium certificate title. So we have a 2-car garage here. This is a single detached. And what I like about this one, this is already fully furnished. So what you see here right now at kapag pasok natin sa loob, that is what you'll get. So this is an open space. Meron tayong access, no? I think this is the dining area where we can like enter there. And then we still have a lot of open space. So pwede pa kayong magtayo ng ibang structure dito like gazebo, or you can beautify and extend, no, yung landscaping nyo for your garden. So let's take a look at the inside of the house. Very different to, no? And very unique because you're holding a condominium certificate title, but you are enjoying a house and lot. So yeah, this is the living area. I will just close the door, no, para mas ma-feel nyo yung pagka-minimalist and the interior ng house. So what you see here again, this is already fully furnished, high ceiling, and ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, from our 6-seater dining table, we have the access from the outside through this sliding door. And we have our bedroom here. So technically this is a granny room, but you can also convert it to your office if you want it in the future, or if you are very active in vlogging or as a content creator, you can create it as your own studio because we also have an ensuite toilet and bath here. A very spacious toilet and bath on our first bedroom at the ground floor. So dito naman, we have our kitchen area, still very spacious. Ang gusto ko yung layout niya, no? So we have like this para sa cooking, and then we have our like this one for the dishes. So hindi mahirap na, for example, you have your plates here and then magluluto ka dito kasi nandito lang siya. Very unique din yung layout nito kasi usually pa L or pa U shape. And of course, we have our laundry or dirty kitchen, no, dito sa labas. Punta tayo sa second floor. But first, ito yung powder room natin. So medyo may stairs lang siya para sa powder room, para din mas ma-utilize yung space dahil nga high ceiling siya. So let's go upstairs. Wow! Gusto ko talaga na may high ceiling kasi meron siyang ganitong open area na pwede mo makita yung living room from this spot, no, dito sa second floor, at hindi siya puro wall. Actually, nagiging masikip lang kapag puro wall eh. And meron kasing ibang mga bahay na parang napagsiksik lang yung bedrooms, kaso yung hallway, sobrang liit niya. And you have your own family area here. Very spacious again. So you have your own family area or entertainment area sa second floor. So we have our second bedroom here. So this is our bedroom. Okay naman siya, meron siyang cabinetry and hindi ganun kalaki, hindi rin ganun kaliit no, yung area ng bedroom. And we have this one actually if you have twins or kunwari meron kayong dalawang kids no, both girls or both boys na medyo magkalapit ng edad, perfect sa kanila tong room na to. And meron ng of course no study area. So lilipat ka na lang talaga dito and very spacious din yung common area or yung common na toilet and bath dito sa second floor. I just realized na yung bedroom sa baba, if you will not convert it to your own office or your content creation studio, that would be your master's bedroom na. So very spacious kasi itong taas na 2 bedrooms lang and at the same time you have your family hall and you have this balcony na as big as this one. So I just want you to feel kahit nasa screen kayo, yung community ni Brentville, meron tayong house, sobrang tahimik, and para ka talagang, yung location ng community, napakalapit niya sa South Luzon Expressway, pero kapag nandito ka sa loob, it's parang nafe-feel ko na parang wala ka sa accessible na area going to Manila kasi para ibang world talaga eh. Tapos imagine nyo here, so gusto ko lang dito sa spot na to. So nandito yung spot ng ibang roads ng community, a lot of trees. And here naman sa angle na to, nakikita nyo rin yung road na ang laking bagay na underground yung electrical wirings because nakaka-add siya ng, kumbaga, yung community as an upscale and ang presko, no? Ang aliwalas tignan. So, yeah, we covered a lot of like opportunity investments here or investment opportunities, no? Dito sa Brentville, we have their commercial lot. If you want to have your commercial lot right at the entrance of the Brentville community, we have their lots and we have this house and lot which is holding a condominium certificate of title. So if you want to inquire, no, before matapos yung lifestyle mall nila, which will be the biggest landmark yet here in the area, and before mag-market value, appreciate yung lots, this house, and the residential lots, this is the perfect time to invest and inquire. Please feel free to contact me through my local mobile number, iMessage, Viber, or WhatsApp account. That is +63927 185 1590. Again, +63927 185 1590. My business email, thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. And do not forget to hit like and subscribe button for our YouTube, which is The Property Geek, our Facebook page, The Property Geek also, and our Instagram as well. And you can directly message me through my personal Facebook account, that is Jaire Valerio Mamaclay. I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. And thank you for watching. This is Brentville. This is your chance to own and live in a thriving community just as this one. Till our next vlog, this is Jaire, your Property Geek.